The interpretation of constitutional penal statutes. This process is not merely a technical exercise, but a journey into the core of justice and societal values. We will explore the principles guiding this interpretation, the challenges faced, and the crucial role of judicial bodies. Understanding these elements is the key to appreciating how laws shape and reflect our society. Let's start with the constitutional interpretation. This involves deciphering a document that often broad and abstract, crafted to endure over time. There are three main methods used. Textualism. This approach focused on the plain meaning of the text at the time it was written. It's like following a recipe exactly, ensuring the original flavor is preserved. However, it can sometimes be too rigid, not accounting for societal changes. Originalism. Here, the goal is to understand the farmer's intent, akin to a historian quest to piece together past context. While it offers historical accuracy, discerning the true intention of people from centuries ago can be challenging. Living constitution. This method views the constitution as a dynamic document that evolves with society, much like a tree that must be pruned and nurtured to stay healthy. It allows for flexibility but can lead to debates over how much changes is too much, risking the ability of foundational principles. Moving on to penal statutes, which defines crimes and punishments, we face a delicate task. This is like walking a tightrope, ensuring justice without overstepping boundaries. Three key principles guide this interpretation. Rule of lenity. This principle resolves ambiguities in favor of the defendant, giving the benefit of the doubt. It ensures laws are clear and that no one is punished under vague terms. Strict construction. This involves interpreting laws narrowly to prevent overreach, much like reading the fine print carefully. While it protects individuals, it can sometimes hinder justice when broader interpretations are needed. Purposive approach. This method looks beyond the letter of law to its spirit, understanding the story behind each legislative stroke. By focusing on legislative intent, it aims to fulfill broader objectives but can introduce subjectivity. Interpreting constitutional and penal statutes presents several challenges. Judges must balance respecting legislative intent with the need for justice in a changing society, ensuring they do not overstep their mandate. For penal statutes, ensuring fairness and consistency is paramount. Ambiguities in legal language can lead to disparate outcomes, risking unequal treatment. Moreover, societal and technological advancement often outpace legislative updates, complicating the interpretations of outdated statutes. Now, role of judicial bodies. Judicial bodies, especially Supreme Courts, play a crucial role in this interpretative process. They act like orchestra conductors, ensuring harmony between the letter of the law and its application. Supreme Court set precedents that guide lower courts, promoting consistency and coherence. They also perform judicial review, a process akin to quality control, assessing whether laws align with constitutional principles. This power is vital in safeguarding individual freedoms and maintaining the legal system's integrity.